Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And you might have been offered when you go to a website. You know, we often go to different websites, and when you go somewhere, it's going to say, oh, by the way, if you want to read this or continue with this content, you need to create an account. And of course, you decide, well, okay, I do want to see the content. So you start creating an account, but then it pops up a little something and says, well, you got two choices. Either you can create a completely new account, or they'll offer you, oh, you can continue with an Apple, Google, or Facebook account that you already have and that are logged in on your PC or device. So, why you should avoid using any of these to log in? Very simple. One, privacy. When you accept to log in to a new service with any of these accounts, you are actually giving away a lot of your private information, because it's going to scoop up a lot of data from you from one of these accounts. Probably Facebook, one of the worst, and of course Google and Apple also. They're going to really scoop up a lot of things. So for privacy reasons, you shouldn't. Another reason, if you log into a service or a website that maybe isn't that great with security, we have seen, and you know, that a lot of companies and a lot of services have been basically hacked over time, and there's always that possibility of a data breach. Well, that data breach will also help breach your Apple, Google, or Facebook account. That's also something that is very important to understand. So there are so many reasons out there why you should not at all do this. If you do want to use a service that you've never used before, an app or whatever, and it asks you for an account, create a brand new, different account. Do not use the easy way out, which is continue with Apple, Google, or Facebook. Just create a full account starting from scratch that isn't shared with anything else, so that you keep your privacy at a higher level. And if the service ever gets a data breach or any problems, well, it won't impact your main accounts that you might have from Facebook, Google, or Apple. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.